300 motor with a turbo. Oh, look at that turbo kit on there. What? That's crazy. How long did it take you to put this up to get this together?
I don't know.
A week?
That's what we did.
And it's on methanol. Honda Grom with a 300 motor with a turbo kit on meth. Oh, that's pretty badass. That is pretty badass. That's badass. I can hear it spooling.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty badass, man. It's crazy because you can hear it spooling up and everything. That's pretty crazy.
Yeah. It's not bad.
I'd hurt myself on that.
Yeah. I probably eventually will.
That's crazy, man.
You have the trike?
Guys, this is a trike with an LS on it. This is crazy.
That is crazy. What does it weigh? You know what?
2,100.
That's gotta be a ride. Does it try to wheel it?
I never have.
I would think it has enough weight.
I think you might be able to do it. This is really stiff. And
That's crazy.
Look at this video. Real
it was locked up. The dealer got it set. He sent it back to got some 605. You know, I
One of those
things.
things. Oh, big block Chevy.
Yep.
230, 17-inch wheels.
I love his reaction when he just looks at it. He's like, whoa.
That's crazy.
That's it.
That is crazy.
Yeah, that's wild. Man, you probably have to go through all kind of frame requests on that. Oh, you find me easy. You got me? No.
That's not you. Bird. Is this you?
Yep.
Yeah, buddy. Awesome. Probably wasn't that bad once you
No,
got
it wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
You see it right behind you.
Oh, yeah.
I've not had that all.
Okay, but the connector's under there?
The guy,
Okay, cool. Let me pull that
the
off.
dealer in Midlothian
That's crazy,
said
man.
it was right there.
Okay, cool. Yeah. How did they get it online?
Well, they
That's
sent it back
wild.
to the factory. Yeah.
Got the new KDX bike for the channel. We riding on here. Just picked this up, brand new. I like to go on the trails and stuff and ride, so I figured this might be a cool little pickup to go ride. Some of you might like this type of stuff on the channel, but I mean, I like riding dirt bikes and shit like that. My dad has a Raptor 600 and we go ride. My little brother has like a little mini four-wheeler, but I figured you guys might like this. This one specifically is just like a 125cc, so but it does get up to like 50-60 mile an hour. See, it's brand new. I forgot to take this off while I'm riding, so that shit's probably gonna be melted on there. Yep. But got a little exhaust on it. Right now I think the clutch needs to be adjusted because it's not like fully disengaging and engaging a little bit, but it's brand new. Like literally they were putting it together as I was like getting ready to buy it, so probably still need some little tweaks in there. Got a little toolkit, came with a warranty and shit like that. So but you guys might like this type of stuff on the channel, so just stay tuned for this. Once again, it's a KXD Pro bike. It's pretty quick, rides pretty good, good throttle response, so we'll see how that goes.